was the star campaigner of the Congress party. He was also the poster boy of the Congress party.
He can be the poster
person
boy.
Around him,
Around
whom the entire Congress party swung. Today he made a brief appearance before the media. Let's take a look at a very quick news report on how Brand Rahul responded to the charges that he had failed to deliver when it mattered.
Having failed to make a mark in Uttar Pradesh elections, as Rahul Gandhi walked towards the media, sister Priyanka watched from a distance on a day that clearly did not belong to him.
समाजवादी पार्टी और मुलायम सिंह यादव जी अखिलेश को मैं बधाई देना चाहता हूं। यूपी की जनता ने उनको समर्थन किया। जरूर मैंने कैंपेन लड़ा है और मैं आगे खड़ा था, तो जिम्मेदारी मेरी है।
All the while, as Rahul took ownership of defeat, Priyanka waited in the background.
Certainly, I expect to have victories along the way, and I expect to have defeats. This is one of the defeats, so I'll take it in my stride. I think it'll be a very good lesson for me, because I think it'll make me think about things in a detailed way, which I like to do.
Aware that something just didn't click for him, Rahul Gandhi promising to introspect on what went wrong.
It's too early for us to go into why it happened. One or two reasons are pretty clear. Organizationally, we are not where we should be in UP, so that's where a lot of our work is going to be. And generally, there was a mood for the Samajwadi Party, which is pretty apparent.
His sister watched and waited and then accompanied him back into the house. Priyanka supportive but silent. A stark contrast to the Congress leaders who were quick to defend Rahul Gandhi.
First test for Rahul, Mr. Rahul Gandhi would come when he is projected as a Prime Minister himself. He was not projected as a Chief Minister in Uttar Pradesh. So why should the litmus test be for Mr. Rahul Gandhi in Uttar Pradesh?
He is a man with courage and conviction, but we won the largest number of seats in Parliament. Now, that was only 2.5 years ago.
Where did we falter? Whether the candidates could not crystallize or convert that wave into votes, or the organization failed.
Rahul Gandhi had never claimed in any public meeting now Congress is going to form any government in UP.
But the scale of Rahul Gandhi's defeat becoming too obvious, especially in the Gandhi family bastions of Amethi and Rai Bareli.
What did not work for Rahul Gandhi really was that in comparison to Akhilesh, he was a far more distant leader. He was not somebody who would have stayed back with the people in Lucknow, not available to the people in Lucknow. The language he was speaking, the issues he was raising simply did not have that local flavor that the issues in Akhilesh's campaign had.
The incident when he tore the Samajwadi Party's list of promises may have upset Akhilesh Yadav. But today, even he clarified.
और मैंने भी कभी नहीं चाहा कि हमारी तुलना हो, लेकिन तुलना और कंपैरिजन आप लोगों ने किया। लेकिन इतना ही है संदेह कि राजनीति में कभी हार होती है, कभी जीत, और जब हार हो जाए तो हमें स्वीकार करनी पड़ेगी। हम लोगों ने भी हार स्वीकार की है।
Battleground 2012, a forgettable outcome for Rahul Gandhi, but like he said, he will have to take it in his stride. Bureau Report, Times Now.